3-bedroom, 2-bath with a large fenced backyard on the east side of town close to parks, grocery stores and shopping. New roof just installed, stainless steel appliances and hardwood floors are just a few things that make this home great. Spacious room upstairs with a full bath would be great for a master bedroom. Both main floor bedrooms have plenty of room. Large living room with fireplace and separate dining room have plenty of entertaining. The basement has potential for whatever needs you have. The basement laundry room is huge with potential to make a complete bath.